Hi everyone, welcome to Pudunalam Virumbi YouTube channel. I am ESP. My first English video in YouTube, so kindly support me. My grammar is very poor, so forgot my grammar, not my channel. Now we are to predict a tomorrow gold price 5 3 to 2025. Gold price may be 40 to 90 rupees upside. So today gold price is 8,010 rupees. Tomorrow 8,050 to 8,100. Maybe between the gold price will be tomorrow price will be between already 8,075 is a all time high. Maybe 8,100 means new all time high will be happen. So tomorrow we will check on. I am not a SEBI advisor, so this is video only education purpose only. So support me channel. Thank you to all.